Hey Diecast lovers, it's Marcus and today we're going to peg hunting in Sainsbury. I'm in Oldham today and I just see the shop here, so say why not come and check what they have in stock here. So let's have a look.
A few moments later.
Nothing special. I hope to find something more, but it's some mix. Okay, put this back. Some color shifters, some cars. Nothing special. And some monster truck as well. Well, that was very quick pack hunting. Just one box with the cars, but nothing special. Few new cars from the last case, but nothing more. Hopeful to find something interesting next time. Thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely day, evening, afternoon, and see you next time. Take care, guys.